Hello Saber fans. I have my second order of two $200 mystery boxes and two $75 mystery boxes in here. So it was a lot of fun opening the last couple. I decided to grab a few more, get some entries into the winter raffle. Unfortunately, I didn't win anything in the raffle, but it was fun participating either way. So this shipment came in quite a bit quicker than the last. I ordered this one January 29th, 4 sabers. It's the February 14th, it's Valentine's Day today. So didn't take nearly as long, only took just over 2 weeks. So including the shipping time, so I'm pretty happy about that. The last time I got really lucky and got Consular in Arctic Blue with premium sound, and that was a nice surprise. So I'm not expecting anything that nice in here. It would be great to see something that nice, but I'm definitely not expecting it. But I guess that's enough talking for now, and let's get to opening it. And I think there might be a shirt, a blade plug. I'm not sure, but I know there was a few additional giveaways for spending as much as I did. So, and then I guess before I get into this or get in there, recently I guess I've seen a couple of videos of some of the sabers actually coming back in the brown paper wrapping. So I'm not quite sure what to expect. I don't know if they're going to be assembled like the first batch was, or if they're going to be wrapped up in the paper. So I'm going to try not to read anything if they are wrapped in paper. Feels like I got some blades here. Okay, I see something that's exposed, so I don't know. Let's see. You guys will see with me. Okay. Blade plug, wrenches. Cool shirt, Ultrasaber shirt. Best sabers in the galaxy. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. A little big for me. It's a triple extra large, and I'm a medium, but it's still pretty cool. Maybe the wife will want it as a nighttime shirt. That one has sound, that one has sound. So these must be the $75 sabers. So let's look at those first. And they're both pretty short, so I'm wondering if one's an initiate. We'll see. I think I got the same as last time, 2 of the Ultra Edge mid-grade and 2 mid-grade blades. This is the first saber. It's definitely a Stunt saber. It's a smaller saber. I think it's a, and forgive me, I'm gonna have to look on the website. So give me just 1 second. Okay, little short guy. Thinking it's an Initiate V4 with windows. it's short. It's got a guarded switch on it. I'm pretty sure it's the initiate. It's got just a standard guarded switch. It's got windows in the emitter, which is pretty cool. All right, let's see what color we got. Orange. It's pretty cool. It's definitely a lot shorter than the last two. All right, on to the next one. Oh, and I think this is a standard issue battle saber. Let's open it. It's got an angled emitter at the end of the hilt, so that's what's making me think that. Okay, this, what we got here, I think it is the dark standard issue Battle Saber V3. Same guarded switch. This one's quite a bit taller. Let's see what color we've got on this one. Adegan Silver. That's pretty cool. Try some different color discs with that one. Okay. All right, and now on to the two with sound. So the two $200. Okay. Saber equipped with light sound. This one is an LE model. It's gold and silver. Sorry for the noise again, guys. I know it's annoying. Let's just take that one. That was pretty dang good. Okay. Stay there. Thank you. Okay, so this one is the Aeon LE V3. Yeah. It's got an AV switch. And a big open pommel, so it's going to be loud. Okay. Aeon LE V3, I believe. Pretty sure. All right. It's got light sound, so let's see what color we've got. That appears to be Guardian Blue. It's definitely darker than the Arctic Blue on the consular from the last mystery box. Alright, flash on flash maybe? Yes. That's nice. Alright. Yeah, they're definitely... That open pommel sure makes it loud. So that's pretty cool. All right, and last but not least, another one equipped with light sound. So 2 with light sound this time. No premium sound, no emerald drivers or anything fancy. But that's the way it goes with the mystery boxes. So one dark hilt, this one's another light colored hilt. So only one, I guess it was one last time as well. Okay. Well, this looks a lot like a standard issue battle saber. And maybe a V3? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So this one has an AV switch on it. And light sound. Where's the little tab? I don't see the tab on this one, guys. Well, this could be embarrassing. Well, I'm wondering if there's no tab in this one, because the batteries seem to be in and I don't see a tab. I see the soundboard. Well, let's push it in and see what, I'm not going to push that in, I'm just going to see if it turns on. Well, let's see, what color do you think it is, guys? I have yet to receive a red one. Although I'd sure like to see, well, I won't say anything. Let's just see what color it is. Let's hope it turns on. It is red. I guess I called that one. Well, it's strange, there was no tab in the battery, so that's cool. Standard issue battle saber in red. And it's got a flash on flash, and that is I imagine it's white, but it almost flashes to like a pinkish color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me lock it up, and you guys watch the lock up and tell me if you can. Yeah. That one's definitely interesting. The let's see, what's. I don't know, that one looks pretty white. Okay, so I think it's a white flash on clash. Pretty sure it is. Just makes it kind of look pink because I think the red LED is getting hit by some of the light. But okay, so the overall haul, guys, the two sound sabers, both AV switches, both silver colored. I really couldn't have any complaints. They're both quality builds again, like always. The AV switches are nice. The $75 boxes, the little small guy is pretty. I did not realize how small they are. I don't have the largest of hands, and this is definitely pretty small. It's also the first time I felt a guarded switch, and I could see why people like the AV switches better than the guarded switches. But the windows are, I have to say, this is my first saber with windows, and I really like them. It is a really cool touch. So I think that's, if I build one of my own, now that I've kind of put together some different hilts and I get to see what I like and what I don't, I'm sure if I build one myself, I'll have windows in the emitter in mine, and definitely an AV switch versus just a guarded switch. And the Adegan Silver, that's cool. I wanted one that I could kind of play with some of the colors, and if I wasn't going to get the emerald driver, then I can just get a couple of the color discs and have at it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll